Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Happy Catty Crypto here. So let's dive into a video across the board. Let's cover the price situations, what's going on in the market, and brush up pretty much on the website that we've been given by one of the Telegram group members from the broadcast system. So let's first of all get over to the prices on each coin. And as you can see, it's sort of heading in a downtrend. As I've said, we are in if you zoom out on the broader image, you can see where we've run up here. And now you can see where we're consolidating, but also in a downtrend, which is totally normal to see in this situation. It's a normal reaction. It's how it holds and then how it plays out after as to how strong the move was, so to speak, if it was a fake out or, as some people like to call them, dead cat bounces. So yeah. As to Terra Classic, it's like I said, it's still in that downtrend. It's not quite broken it yet, I would say, but anything could happen. The past 2 weekends have been really good for the three coins across the board, being Luna, USTC, and Luna Classic. Luna Classic obviously being the one that was doing the best just underneath USTC. So as you can see, Terra Luna currently had a huge breakout, come all the way back down, and now it's currently attempting that breakout again. And like I said, across the past 2 weekends, we've seen nothing but good movements come from the coins themselves. And last week, Bitcoin was actually dumping, whereas this week it's possible that we're actually following exactly what Bitcoin is doing, which is very, very interesting to see the price correlation. And as you can see, all four making that same breakout, very similar timings and things like that across the board. So going over to this absolutely blinding white screen, let's quickly take a look at the community pool. We'll remove the USTC, and as you can see, the community pool is still going up, folks. Okay, so now let's get on to the Binance wallet. So as it stands with this wallet, if we give it a refresh, it's buying, and I mean everybody knows this, that it's not buying nowhere near as much as it was, or accumulating nowhere near as much as it had been. In fact, it keeps sort of hovering around this 2.2 trillion mark, goes just above it, then it goes below it, then above it, then below it. So it's kind of hovering, in my opinion, at this point in time. As to why it's doing this, don't know. Do we know if it's users coins or not? We don't know. And this is always the dangerous thing about this right now. And I have put out a tweet today of unanswered questions for CZ Binance, and then I've also put out another tweet just recently, bit more serious, just actually addressing it, because he put out a tweet saying transparency builds trust, and we're just not seeing them being that transparent at the moment. Now, as to it being used as coins, like I said, this is really, really bad in my opinion, because it's a possible malicious actor, and that is the last thing that we want to see across the board for anything. So yeah, do keep an eye out for the prices this weekend. It'll be interesting to see how it all plays out. And yeah, do stay safe out there. It's not financial advice, and I will catch you folks in the next one.